I'm here now to invite you to apply for an outstanding opportunity in manufacturing here in the Metroplex. My name is Derek Phelps. I'm with Top Talent Search Advisors, and I'm your friendly headhunter. Today, we are working with a leading company in manufacturing, and I want to tell you a little bit about what that means to you and what we're looking for and how to apply. First off, the leading company in manufacturing means that you're going to go to work for somebody, really a leader in the industry, and a place to call home and you'd be proud to work at. Long term means that you can move up through the organization and really find a company that's a home, a company that's a career and not just a job. So if you're looking for an organization to grow in, this might be just the one for you. It has a full-time salary. Their salary structure is above many of the competitors in the area, so an outstanding salary, bonus structure with the firm, benefits with the firm, and as I said before, lots of opportunity for growth for you to grow and expand your career. What's needed? I'm looking for a leader, someone that's been in production in a fast-paced manufacturing environment from 3 to 5 years, someone that really knows that how to lead a team, how to work with the team, and work together towards a common goal. So if you are looking for a career and not just a job, if you have production experience, do you know lean manufacturing? Great, that's a big plus. If you are bilingual, we'd love to talk to you. So we care about your career here at Top Talent Search Advisors. Do yourself a favor, forward your resume to us at buildmybizz@gmail.com. We are experts in placing people in their dream jobs, manufacturing companies here in the Metroplex. Again, Derek Phelps, Top Talent Search Advisors. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.